Hello everyone, here's Alan for Hi-Target. As we know, in complex and restricted environments, traditional stakeout is difficult to implement and may exist some safety risks. The laser stakeout function is designed to meet the precise stakeout in hard-to-reach or dangerous areas. And now let's see the operation with V600L model. First of all, let's select the stake points in stake points interface. And we open the laser and open the AR Stakeout function. And we can see that the stake point is marked as red and the aiming point is marked with the green hair cross. Then we move the green cross to the plate overlay with the red marker, and we can see that the scale accuracy is at 1 to 2 centimeters. That's all for the operation steps of laser stakeout function today. In the next video, I will show you how to implement the steady real-sim stakeout. Follow us to unlock more practical surveying skills.